Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a Google assignment, whether it's a Google Slide, Google Doc, whatever, and put it into Canvas. Why do you want to do that? So I made this lab last year. I want all of my students to get it. I want them all to type in it on their own, but I don't want my email or my Google Drive to be blown up with their work. And by making this an assignment in Canvas, I can see everything they're doing in Canvas SpeedGrader. I can grade it in Canvas, and it makes life a lot easier. I'm not having to hunt down in my drive for their work. It's all in Canvas. So what you need to do is go to your Canvas course, hit a plus sign, plus, create an assignment. Okay, I'm just going to call this practice assignment. Add. Open your assignment. Hit edit. You can type any instructions that you want your students to read here. You can make it points, whatever. Go down to submission type, hit external tool, find, search for Google assignment. It might ask you to link. Okay, so I want to share my coursework. That's fine. Continue. It might ask you to link your coursework. That's fine. And eventually you're going to get this. And you want to hit attach, and you just go to your drive and whatever assignment you want to add. So I'm going to upload this practice worksheet. Add it, and then whenever you want to choose how to grade it, I suggest the Canvas SpeedGrader because this again is going to keep everything in Canvas. It's going to be like when you click SpeedGrader, you get a PDF of that Google Doc, what they typed in, and hit create. Okay, select, and again, you can do points. If you want to assign it to different people, you can. Save and publish. So now when students see it, this is what they're going to see. Their instructions, they're going to load their assignment, and because I'm the teacher, my view is a little bit different, but they're going to get the practice assignment pulled up. This is what the teacher side will look like whenever you give it. I don't have any students in my class. That's why there's not any student submissions, but you would see their submissions here. You also will see their submissions when you go back to Canvas on SpeedGrader. Again, I don't have any students in this class, so we can't see SpeedGrader, but that's how you'll view their answers. I hope this helps.